महिलाओं की बहुत इज्जत करना भी सिखाया है। इन्हें किसी तरह के तारुफ की जरूरत नहीं है और हमें बहुत गर्व है, यानी पीएनबी मेटलाइफ को बहुत फक्र है इस बात का कि हम सभी इनकी फिल्म हैप्पी न्यू ईयर का एक हिस्सा होने जा रहे हैं। तो मैं सबसे पहले चाहूंगा कि आप बहुत जोरदार तालियां और बहुत धमाधम जोर के साथ स्वागत करें उस व्यक्ति का जिनका नाम लेते हुए मुझे बहुत फक्र महसूस हो रहा है। So ladies and gentlemen, I request all of you to please put your hands together for the one and only King Khan, Shri Shah Rukh Khan. Thank you very much, everyone. और अब हम हैप्पी न्यू ईयर के साथ जुड़े हुए एक और व्यक्ति को बुलाते हैं। इन्हें भी किसी तरह के तारुफ की आवश्यकता नहीं है, हमारे देश के सबसे मंझे हुए कलाकारों में से एक है और इनका नाम है श्री बमन ईरानी जी। जोरदार तालियां। और अब एक और ऐसे मंझे हुए कलाकार जो इस फिल्म का हिस्सा है, मेरे बहुत अच्छे मित्र भी हैं, श्री सोनू सूद जी। जोरदार तालियां फॉर। And last but not the least from this film is a young talented boy. His name is Vivan Shah. इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां। वसीम साहब के सुबह के साथ साथ एक बहुत ही मंझे हुए कलाकार भी हैं। तो huge round of applause for all of them। यार क्या कर रहे हैं आप तो कैमरे ले शोर ही नहीं बजा रहे यार।
I request sir to kindly present a bouquet to our team. Our star cast from Happy New Year.
यार रिक्वेस्ट करो इन्होंने के थल्ले।
Let's have you shout, please.
सबसे पहले तो बहुत जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए। और जैसा कि हम सभी को पता है, we all know that Shah Rukh sir is one of the finest orators of our country as well. So मेरी बकबक सर बहुत देर से हो रही थी, तो मैं चाहूँगा कि आप आ गए हैं तो आपके से भरे शब्द सभी लोग सुन लें। लेकिन उससे पहले बहुत जोर से शोर। 1 2 3।
Both of you doing a wonderful job, and first of all, apologies. We are shooting nights for the last 25 days, so we sleep at about 8 or 9 in the morning, and we're back here at about 4 o'clock. So it's been scheduled. But first of all, welcome to. I've been made to understand you all are the top 300 people and employment of 6,000 people in PNB MetLife. So congratulations to you. It's fantastic. Upper crust, hard-working 3% of PNB MetLife. Thank you very much, Mr. Chut, for having us over here. Thank you, Bala, Mr. Acharya, Mr. Bansal, everyone who's been responsible for this, having this association with a film called Happy New Year, inshallah. When it comes out in Diwali, you'll be very proud of the film because the association with the PNB MetLife has made it possible for us to do stuff in this film in terms not only economically and financially, but to give it a fantastic look. So I hope you enjoy it and you feel very proud. So thank you PNB MetLife first for associating with us. Thanks a lot. Apart from that, we have a lot of commonalities which I won't get into because when people see actors, I apologize, Deepika Padukone is not here. She's out of town and rehearsing for a show somewhere in Tampa Bay in America. Otherwise she would be here too. So on behalf of her also, big warm welcome, big hug, which she'll give to me and I'll give it to you guys. I don't allow her to hug anyone else. But besides that, I know when actors come on stage, I'd just like to say a few words about the actors who are present here. They don't need no introduction like he said, but these are some of the finest talents we have in the country. This film is an ensemble film. It's not a film about a hero and heroine. It's a film about 6 friends. And tonight will be the first time that we ever have such a big audience watching a shooting, and I hope you enjoyed. We're doing an action scene.
फिर उठ गए यार। बैठो यार, बैठ यार, बैठ यार।
So who's a weakling? doesn't have much to show for his muscles is doing a romantic song. And Vivaan, who happens to be even Mr. Naseeruddin Shah's son, is going to show you what acting is really about when he overpowers the great Mr. Naseer after you see this film. So you'll enjoy the shooting, I hope. We're flying around, we're throwing people. It's very, very peaceless. It's a very action-oriented shooting that you will see tonight. And when people watch actors, when they meet them, they don't expect them to come and have oratorship like he claimed. They want to hear dialogues, and also what I thought was, instead of giving you a spiel about how wonderful PNB MetLife is, because the world knows it, it's a fantastic company, one of the finest, biggest companies. It is. Okay, I understand. You guys want to hear praises. PNB MetLife is the best company in the world. Yeah, and I'd just like to, so we thought we'll have a little interactive session with you, if you like. And we are entertainers, we don't do serious stuff. I don't give big speeches on success and all. I don't understand that at all. I get them written by other people and go to big companies to do it. So instead what I'll do is I'll do a few dialogues from the films if you'd like to hear them. Yeah. Alright, so let me do it from Don first. Don is okay?
Yeah.
Or whatever you desire. If you have any dialogue you'd like me to.
No.
Express. I'll do dialogues which have, but Chennai says, don't underestimate the power of a common man. I'll say a dialogue from Don. Don का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है सोनिया, लेकिन एक बात समझ लो, डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल नहीं, नामुमकिन है. So I'll do another one, then I'll tell my friends here. Punjabi dialogues is Sonu Sood's speciality. I request him to Punjabi dialogue bolte. Sonu will give you a Punjabi dialogue. He is from the Jalandhar film industry.
From Moga film industry. लेकिन अगर Moga में Don बनती तो Don का इंतजार तक 11 मुल्क की पुलिस कर रही है. लेकिन Don को पढ़ना मुश्किल ही नामुमकिन है पुत्रो.
Visa, I don't remember any dialogue from Visa.
बाजीगर.
Devdas, I remember.
बादशाह.
कौन कंबल बर्दाश्त करने के लिए पीता है? हम तो पीते हैं कि यहाँ पर बैठ सकें, तुम्हें देख सकें, तुम्हें बर्दाश्त कर सकें. बट चंद्रमुखी एक पारो की याद है जो भुलाए भूली नहीं जाती. बस इतना याद है मुझको. Okay, one last one, and then.
बादशाह.
70 मिनट वाला था यार. वो 70. DDL वाले करना, बाजीगर करता हूँ यार. जो ये ना एक्चुअली बड़ा एक्सपोज हो जाते हैं एक्टर्स जब लाइव स्टेज पर डायलॉग सबको याद नहीं रहते. दादी कौन सा? हैप्पी न्यू ईयर का तो आप देखोगे ना आगे. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर का डायलॉग बड़ा अजीब सा है. बार बार पिक्चर के अंदर ये बोलता था मादर, और मैं बोलता हूँ छोड़ना यार. तो आप सेट के ऊपर आकर देखना, ये बहुत स्पेशली लिखा गया है, बहुत इंटेलेक्चुअल डायलॉग है. Okay, I'll do a dialogue from Bazigar, and then we'll ask everyone to say a few words, and you guys can ask them some questions, and we'd like to answer them for you in the most fun and happy, entertaining way. You can ask serious questions also. Expect serious answers. Dialogue from Bazigar. मैं जानता हूँ कि तुम जानना चाहती हो कि जानबूझकर मैं रेस हार क्यों गया तुम्हारे लिए, क्योंकि अगर मैं रेस जीत जाता तो तुम्हारा दिल टूट जाता, और तुम्हारी जैसी खूबसूरत हसीना का दिल मैं कैसे तोड़ सकता हूँ. शायद इसलिए किसी ने कहा है कभी कभी कुछ जीतने के लिए कुछ हारना पड़ता है, और हार कर जीतने वाले को हासिल करते हैं. This dialogue becomes very pertinent when Kolkata Knight Riders is losing again and again and again. And I request Pawan Irani to say a few words and thank PNB MetLife for being associated with us.
Thank you, Shahrukh. Thank you. Hi, everyone. First of all, very proud to be here, and I'm sure that you guys also may be very, very proud that this moment has happened. I have to tell you a little story. As Shahrukh said, that all of us have been shooting for night after night after night, so we ask for forgiveness for the way we look. But even if we don't sleep at night, we still this only. Especially this guy, whether he's working nights or not, he's always sleepy. We shot this little film for you, which initiated the contest. Am I right? We did more rehearsals and more retakes for that than we did for Happy New Year. So very, very happy that we are part and you are part of this film. And thank you very much. He introduced us all. He introduced people who are not here. But I think it's only right to say that there's one wonderful human being who, apart from our director, who is keeping this ship together and making this film probably one of the biggest, greatest, joyous, most joyous filming experience that I have ever had in my entire life, or career rather. I didn't do too many films before 10 years ago. And that person is Shah Rukh Khan. I say this from the bottom of my heart. You cannot have such a big-hearted, creative, visionary. He doesn't profess to make a film that is going to keep you thinking for many, many years to come. But I can tell you that it will make you laugh, it will make you cry, and his vision and his thinking of making everything big is something that I applaud, something that I salute, something that I really respect. Thank you, Shah Rukh. Thank you for making this experience so wonderful for all of us. And I'm sure that once we are done with it, the experience becomes yours, and you all will appreciate it much, much more than we have. Thank you very much. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Vivan. And a few words from Vivan, and then Sonu will speak in Punjabi again.
Hi, good evening. It's great to be here, and I'm really looking forward to having you all on the shoot today evening. I think you're all really going to find it very interesting. You all will get to see how an action scene is shot, which is something that even I am seeing, I think, pretty much for the first time, seeing upfront. I've seen it when I was a kid, but it's one of the most interesting things, and it's great fun, and you all will get to come and I think you all will find it really interesting, and just to see how it happens and to see the work that goes behind the camera, it's great. And for me, it's been a huge learning process. I've got to learn so much about the craft of filmmaking, about everything that goes into it. And today evening, when you guys will come to the set, you all will also get to see that. And you all will also hopefully learn a lot and have a very great enlightening experience. You all get to see a different side of the movies. So really looking forward to that.
Yeah, first of all, like an actor, what Roman said, I would like to share my experience. I've done films in all the languages, Tamil, Kannada, Hindi, and after doing like 50-60 films, working with all the people on record, I want to say about Shah Rukh, so that I think he's the finest co-star, finest producer, finest actor I've come, and finest human being I've come across ever, and so much I've learned in the process with him, and I always tell him that when we finish the shoot of Happy New Year, we are really going to miss the whole experience, spending time with him. And I'm sure, like you have your targets to achieve, we actors have our targets to achieve, and I think my target was to work with Shah Rukh, and I've achieved my target, and obviously you have achieved yours. I think we all as family are really hoping for the day when Happy New Year releases, and we all will be proud of this association. So thank you very much for making us a part of your family.
Thank you once again, and just like Tarun told me that जब यहाँ पर आओगे तो तुम जो है PNB MetLife की तारीफ करते रहना. मैंने भी अपने एक्टर्स को बोला जब यहाँ हो तो मेरी तारीफ करते रहना. So this is mutually done. And yeah, really the experience once again in a more serious way. I know you people work hard. I've been made to understand this year has been difficult for insurance and banking in general. And to meet your targets, to be able to achieve what you set out to achieve in any field is extremely, extremely difficult and hard. And it only comes when we fail often enough. And I think in filmmaking, when you come and see it tonight, there will be an experience. I always tell people, filmmaking, I'm not giving it more important than just 2.5 hours of entertainment. I wear filmmaking on my cuff. I allow people to just have fun, don't take it too seriously. But it's hugely serious business, just like yours. You will see us tonight, on wires, getting injured, falling down, things breaking. You'll see it being taken at least 30 to 40 times, retaken 30 to 40 times, and each time we will fail, each time we'll try to make it better. So to all the youngsters here, all of you who are trying to make a life out of what you have, I pray for you. Inshallah, all your dreams come true, not only with PNB MetLife and the job that you do, but in your personal life too. And just remember, keep on failing, keep on